The sensory motor integration that we chose to focus on is auditory senses that affect proprioception. The definition of proprioception is a sense of awareness of the relative position of the neighboring parts of the body. For this activity, we will be demonstrating Marco Polo, in which one participant will close their eyes, calling out Marco, while another participant will call out Polo, indicating their position by sound. The participant with their eyes closed must find the other person by reaching out and touching them. This improves sensory motor integration by taking away the visual senses, so the participant must rely on their auditory and proprioceptive senses in order to find the other person. People who would benefit from this activity would be those who have vision impairment and must rely on their other senses to function properly.
You can go.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
To increase the difficulty of the task, Brendan will now move around as Jeremy tries to find him.
Marco.